Understanding precision and accuracy in scientific measurement is crucial for reliable results. This presentation delves into reference standards, scientific notation, significant figures, and dimensional analysis. Reference standards define units like kilograms and meters, ensuring measuring devices are calibrated and standardized for consistency and accuracy in scientific measurements. Since 1889, the kilogram has been defined by a platinum iridium cylinder, stored in France, chosen for its chemical resistance and stable mass over time. Scientists aim to redefine the mass standard using the Avogadro constant. X-ray methods measuring atomic densities in ultra-pure silicon crystals show promising accuracy. The definition of the meter evolved from a PTIR bar to wavelengths of krypton light and finally, in 1983, to the distance light travels in vacuum in a specific time. Chemistry involves dealing with extremely large and small numbers, like the vast number of molecules in a sample or the minuscule mass of a single hydrogen atom. Scientific notation simplifies handling extreme numbers by representing them as n times 10n, making mathematical operations more manageable and reducing errors. To convert large numbers to scientific notation, move the decimal left and use a positive exponent. For small numbers, move it right for a negative exponent. In scientific notation multiplication, multiply the digit terms and add the exponents. Simplify the result to ensure the digit term is between 1 and 10. For example, multiplying 5.6 times 10^5 by 6.9 times 10^8 involves multiplying 5.6 and 6.9, then adding exponents, resulting in 3.864 times 10^14 after simplification. In division using scientific notation, divide the digit terms and subtract the exponents. Simplify the result to keep the digit term between 1 and 10. For example, dividing 2.7 times 10^3 by 5.5 times 10^4 involves dividing 2.7 by 5.5 and subtracting exponents, resulting in 4.909 times 10^8 after simplification. Addition and subtraction in scientific notation require aligning the exponents first, then adding or subtracting the coefficients, and finally simplifying the result. For example, adding 6.65 times 10^4 and 8.95 times 10^3 involves aligning exponents, adding coefficients, and simplifying to get 7.545 times 10^4. Subtracting 4.8 times 10^3 from 2.5 times 10^2 involves aligning exponents and subtracting coefficients, resulting in a final answer of 2.02 times 10^2. Significant figures include all certain digits plus one uncertain digit, indicating the precision of a measurement. For example, 11.2 ml has three significant figures. Non-zero digits are always significant. Leading zeros are not significant. Zeros between non-zero digits are significant, as in 2.005, which has four significant figures. Trailing zeros are significant if after a decimal. Without a decimal, they're not. In scientific notation, all digits are significant, like in 4.01 times 10^2. Counting numbers, like 2 balls or 20 eggs, have infinite significant figures represented by infinite zeros after the decimal, ensuring exactness. Precision indicates the reproducibility of measurements, while accuracy shows closeness to the true value. Both are essential for reliable scientific results. For example, student A's measurements 1.95 g and 1.93 g are precise but not accurate. Student B's are neither precise nor accurate. Student C's are both precise and accurate. In addition and subtraction with significant figures, the result should have no more decimal places than the original number with the fewest decimal places. In multiplication and division, the result must have no more significant figures than the measurement with the fewest significant figures, ensuring accuracy. Rounding off numbers involves rules. Increase the preceding number if the rightmost digit is more than 5, and keep it unchanged if less than 5. If the rightmost digit is 5, increase the preceding number if odd, and keep it unchanged if even, ensuring consistent rounding practices. Dimensional analysis, or unit factor method, converts units by multiplying the quantity by conversion factors, essential in chemistry and physics for accurate measurements. For example, converting 3 inches to centimeters using the conversion factor, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters, results in 7.62 centimeters, demonstrating dimensional analysis in action. Dimensional analysis offers accuracy, versatility, and systematic problem solving, ensuring consistent and reliable unit conversions across various scientific fields. Precise measurement techniques, standardized units, and clear communication through scientific notation and significant figures are fundamental for global scientific advancements.